the last session of integers. There are some more working problems in this one. Let us go through this one first. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Above 0 means plus 10 degrees Celsius. Below 0 means minus 1 degree. Okay. So 10 degrees Celsius above 0. That means the temperature was plus 10 degrees Celsius. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour, every hour it is decreasing 2 degrees Celsius. So after 1 hour, if it is 12 noon, it is 10 degrees Celsius. So at 1 p.m. it will become 8 degrees Celsius. Like that at 2 p.m. it will become 6 degrees Celsius and so on. It is decreasing, 2 degrees Celsius decreasing. So if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight the process is going on. At what time the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. So actually it was 10 degrees Celsius, but at a particular time, we don't know the time at which it became 8 degrees Celsius. But it became 8 degrees Celsius at a particular time. Okay, we have to find out at what time 10 degrees Celsius reduced into 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, first of all, for the reduction of 10 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, how much of temperature should be reduced? Let us see now. So you know that first 10 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, how much change in temperature? 10 degrees Celsius change in temperature is there. Next, 0 degrees Celsius to minus 8 degrees Celsius. How much change in temperature? Again there is 8 degrees Celsius change in temperature. That means here 10 is reducing, here 8 is reducing. Okay, first 10 reduced. 10 degrees Celsius to 10 reduced, it became 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius to again 8 degrees Celsius reduced, that means it become minus 8 degrees Celsius. So total reduction in temperature how much? 10 plus 8, 18 degrees Celsius decrease is coming. So total reduction in temperature. Total reduction in temperature. How much is that? Equal to first 10 degrees Celsius, next 8 degrees Celsius. So how much degrees Celsius reduction in temperature? 18 degrees Celsius reduction means reducing. Okay. So now every hour it is told that every hour 2 degrees Celsius changes. 2 degrees Celsius is reducing. So here 18 degrees Celsius reduced. So for 2 degrees Celsius 1 hour is needed. So for 18 degrees Celsius reduction, how many hours are needed? 18 by 2. Is it 9 hours needed for 18 degrees Celsius reduction? Did you understand the concept? So every hour 2 degrees Celsius reduction is going on. Okay, and here the total reduction in temperature. First 10 degrees Celsius changes to 0. That we know that 10 degree Celsius difference is there. Again 0 changes to minus 8 means again 8 degree changes there. So total reduction in temperature is 10 plus 8, that is 18 degrees Celsius. So time taken for total hours needed for the reduction of 18 degrees Celsius. How much? Very clear. 18 for 1 hour it is 2 degrees Celsius. So for the reduction of 18 degrees Celsius it is needed 18 by 2. That means 9 hours needed. How many hours needed? 9 hours needed. So from 12 noon 9 hours are taken to bring it to minus 8 degrees Celsius. So 12 plus 9 hours or 9 PM, 12 plus 9 hours, it will become 9 PM, 12 to 9, 12 plus 12 noon means 12 PM, 12 PM plus 9 hours, it will give 9 PM. So, the temperature, the time at which the temperature become 8 degrees Celsius, sorry, minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 9 PM. Okay, now let us go to the second part of the question. What would be the temperature at midnight? Midnight means 12 AM. Okay, midnight means what is the time? That is 12 AM. So at 12 AM, what is the temperature asking? So first of all, we should know 12 noon to 12 noon. What's the time? How much is the time between 12 noon to 12 AM? How many hours are there? There are 12 hours. Okay, time between 12 noon to 12 AM. That is 12 hours. Okay, 12 noon to 12 PM. Or 12 PM. 12 noon means 12 PM to 12 AM. How many hours there? 12 hours there. How many hours? 12 hours. So, every hour 2 degrees Celsius reduction is there. So, in 12 hours, how much reduction will be for the temperature? 12 into 2, that means 24 degrees Celsius reduction will be there. Because it is told that until midnight the process is going on. Suppose if it is 2 hours, 2 into 2, 4 degrees Celsius reduction. If it is for 3 hours, 3 into 2. But 12 PM to 12 AM, how many hours there? 12 hours there. So, total reduction in temperature, total reduction in temperature for 12 hours equal to 12 into 2 equal to 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, 12 into 2 equal to 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, now let us see. 12 noon, what was the temperature? Temperature at 12 PM or 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. So, we want to find out temperature at 12 AM, means after 12 hours. What is the temperature asking? So, already we got it, 24 degrees Celsius reduction is there. So, actually it was 10 degrees Celsius. So, 10 degrees Celsius, how much is reduced? 24 is reduced. 10 degrees Celsius minus 24 degrees Celsius. That much is reduced. 24 degrees Celsius is reduced. So, 10 minus 24 minus 14 degrees Celsius will be the temperature at 12 AM. Suppose the question is asked at 2 PM. At 2 PM, what was the temperature? If it is asked 12 to 2 PM, how much change is there? 2 hours. So, 2 hours. 2 hours, how much reduction? 2 to 4. 4 degrees Celsius is reduced. That means 10 minus 4. So, 6 degrees Celsius. Okay. So, how much is reduced? That only you subtract. So, you will get the total reduction in temperature. So, what was the temperature? What will be the temperature at 12 AM? It will be minus 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now, let us go into the next question. Okay, the last question from this session, integers. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. Okay, an elevator is descending, means coming down. If the descent starts from 10 meters above the ground, where does it start? Let it be 0. The ground level is represented by 0. And 10 meters above means here it is taken place. So 10 meter to 0 degree, 0 meter. Ground level is taken as 0. and 10 meter above. Above means plus, isn't? So we are taken here. So let it be 10 meter. So and it is coming down. How many meters it come? Minus 350 meter. Okay, it reached minus 350 meter. So here the question is, if it is going down 6 meter in every minute, per minute if it is taking 6 minutes for descending, how much time it will be taking for coming up to 350 meter down the earth? Okay, so this is above the earth, this is down the earth. So down the ground level, not down the earth, down the ground level. That is why represented it by minus 350. So you know that from 10 meter to 0 meter, how much descent is there? How much length descent is there? 10 meter descent is there. Okay. So from 0 to 350, minus 350 meter, how much descent is there? 350 meter descent is there. Okay, descent is there. Coming down, descent. So that is why represented it by minus 350. So total how much came down? Total how much length it come down? 350 plus 10 meter. Is it? Total how much it came down? 360 meter come down. Okay. So very clear. For 1 minute, how much is coming down? 6 meters. 6 meters 1 minute. So 360 meters. 360 by 6. Right. So total length descended. Total length descended into the mine. Okay, total length descended into the mine. How much is that? 350 plus 10 equal to 360 meter. Okay, now what is? How long will it take? Time taken. Time taken for 360 meter descent. 360 meter descent. Okay, 6 meter descent, 1 minute. 6 meter descent, 1 minute. So 360 meter descent, how much time? 360 by 6. That is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. Okay, got it? So 1 hour has taken by the elevator to descend it to 360 meter into the mine shaft.